If you want to play YouTube music in your Discord server in 2023, you are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how. So let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and search for Pancake Bot. In the search results, open the first one. It is the official one by pancake.gg. Now tap Invite Bot right there. It will take you to your Discord. Make sure you are logged in and tap on Select Server and select your server by tapping on it. Finally, tap on Continue. Once you tap on Continue, it will take you to the screen. Leave everything as it is and tap on Authorize. Complete a human verification and you should be good to go. Now go to the YouTube song that you want to play, tap on Share, and then tap on Copy Link at the bottom. Finally, from here you can go ahead and open the Discord app or the browser. Just go to your Discord and open your server. In the message box, tap P! Paste your link there and send it, and it will be converted to a video that can be played as a YouTube music in your Discord server. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.